Welcome back. It's another video on this channel and it's part of our Learn HTML the Right Way series. So this time around we'll be discussing text formatting. When you are working on your web pages, you always have situation whereby you want to give some level of importance, you want to make some italic, superscript, subscript, and many of those things on your web pages. So let's do a few of it now, then later on we can do more of it. So just to give you an overview of text formatting at this point. So let's come back, let's just clear out this. So let's clear out that. I will leave the heading, then let's come back to, let's have another paragraph, and let's say this is my first website and it's very cool or super cool. So we have it like this. Now let's preview, let's see what it is on our browser. So we can see this is my first website and it's super cool. Now in this page, now in this text that I just wrote, so we want to make sure that some part of it is bold. So let's come back here. We can just come back to our code like this. So let's say important, or we say notes. So let's say note, and we want to make this note bold. So let me come here and say I will open a bracket, open less than b, then inside that paste this, then let's come back to our web page. So you can see now that this note is bold. Then another way to make a text bold is that you use a strong tag. So let's use strong. You have the same result. So now let's say you want to make it italic. So let's come back. Let's say this is my first website and it's very cool. Let's make this display as italic. So I'll just have italic, save. Let's come back. So you can see it is now displaying as italic. So let's say you want to make a number. Let me just come here to do some form of, let's say, superscript or subscript. Okay, let's do underline. Let's say this first one, I want to underline it. So let's come here. Let's say underline. So you can see it is underlined. So that is just an overview of how you can format your text in HTML. So don't worry, we'll do more about that. So if you have anything that is not clear to you, just shoot in the comment, we'll answer to it. Then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.